Welcome back to Modern Girls. I'm going to share my go-to tricks that will have your skin looking flawless in just 5 minutes. No filters needed. Achieving a flawless face doesn't have to take hours. Everyone can look great without a lengthy process, and that's what I'll be showing you today. Many people struggle with finding the time to get ready in the morning, and when it comes to makeup, it can be overwhelming. Lack of skills and knowledge about the right products to use can also hold people back from achieving the look they want. Time constraints are a major challenge, especially on busy mornings when every minute counts. People often feel like they're not skilled enough to apply makeup quickly and flawlessly. Common challenges also include knowing which products to use and how to apply them for a quick and easy look. I'm going to share my go-to tricks that will have your skin looking flawless in just 5 minutes, no filters needed, by using the right techniques and products. To get started, apply a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone and blend it well into the skin. Next, use a concealer to cover up any blemishes or dark circles under the eyes. Apply a swipe of mascara to define the lashes and make the eyes pop. Use a brow pencil to fill in the brows and give them shape. Apply a lip balm or gloss to add some color and moisture to the lips. After applying these quick and easy makeup steps, the transformation is amazing, and the skin looks flawless. The 5-minute makeup look is perfect for busy mornings when you need to get ready quickly. The final look is natural and effortless, and it's perfect for everyday wear. The key to this look is using the right products and techniques and keeping it simple. To recap, we applied a lightweight foundation, concealer, mascara, brow pencil, and lip balm to achieve a flawless face in just 5 minutes. If you've tried a quick and easy makeup look, comment below and share your favorite tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out my other video on quick beauty hacks for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Girls for more glow-up and style content.